Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful patches with a stitch that I've come up with it, that in a single stitch but in a different way. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then you're going to come right here, this space, to make single chain. Right over there, single chain. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So I'm going to just chain 1 and I'm going to come right here in this space here. Then from there, this way. Then again in the same space there, again the same space, and from the back there and here in the back way. I'm going to continue the same way. Yeah. You can see this is how it's going to form like. On this side we have this layer over here. So I'm going to chain 1. Then going to continue making. You can see this is how it's going to look like we have our single chain here, then we made a knot stitch and we made a space here by making single chain. So going to chain 1, turn around our work, then we come right here and then insert. That way, right? Then when you come here, make again one single stitch that way, so you get a straight line that way. Then chain 1 and again to make single stitches. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. We had made chain of 13, then we made single stitches, then we made a knot stitch, then single stitches, knot stitch and single stitches. So this is how it's going to look like at the end. This is I made for, see, this is the same color, and if I compare with this one, the stitches are the same, only it's different color. So I hope you like my video. Till next time, bye bye, see you, and thank you for supporting.